She was a girl from Birmingham. She just had an abortion. She was a case of insanity. Her name was Pauline. She lived in a fucking tree. She wasn't no one who killed her baby. She sent her letters from the country. She was an animal. She was a bloody disgrace. Buddy, I'm not an animal. Buddy, I'm not an animal. Dragged on a table in a factory, legitimate place to be. In a packet in a lavatory, died little baby screaming. Body screaming, fucking bloody mess. Not an animal, it's an abortion. Buddy, I'm not an animal. Mommy, I'm not an abortion. Throbbing, squirming, gurgling, bloody mess. I'm not a discharge. I'm not a lost in protein. I'm not a throbbing, squirming. Yeah. Fuck this and fuck that. Fuck it all and fuck her fucking brat. She don't want a baby that looks like that. I don't want a baby that looks like that. Buddy, I'm not an animal. Buddy, an abortion. Buddy, I'm not an animal. Buddy, I'm not an animal. An animal. I'm not an animal. I'm not an animal. An animal. I ain't no animal. I'm not an animal. I'm not a body. I'm not an animal. An animal. I ain't no animal. I ain't no animal. I ain't no animal. Mommy. Yeah.